Mga momshies, it's a Tuesday, but we're gonna cook our vegetable cauliflower today. So we were in Batangas during the weekend, starting Thursday night. So ayan, yung shrimp head, inatanggal natin. So yun muna yung gigisa natin, sibuyas, bawang. Then our cauliflower, chichero, and carrots. Then again natin for taste, garlic salt, and patis. This is what we meant. Ginigisa muna natin yung shrimp head with sibuyas, bawang bago yung last na natin nilalagay yung shrimp natin. So, lalagay muna natin yung cauliflower or yung mas matagal na lumambot na vegetable. Ayan na yung cauliflower. Tapos nilagyan natin 1 cup of water. Before siguro after 5 minutes, saka natin lagay yung carrots and chichero to our cauliflower. Mix, mix, mix. Then, last yung ating. Ilagay na natin, momshi, ang carrots and chicharo. Let's place garlic salt. And pagluto na, tsaka natin ilagay ang shrimp natin. Enjoy, enjoy. Hi, momshi. Cook na ang ating cauliflower. It's a Tuesday today. It will be our Tuesday meal. Kasi during the weekend, we were in Batangas. So, kaya ngayon lang tayo nakaluto ng ating vegetable. Sana magustuhan ni Pops yung ating ulam tonight. See you on our next video.